Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create equalizer preset for your headphones BeoPlay8Sport. You have to start by open the application. Now click on sound mode, then click create new, and right here we have 4 options, 4 presets, but you can also can change something between these 2 presets. Let's say right here between energetic and warm I have high bass, between bright and energetic I have high treble, and another one. So I wanna high bass, so I click here, move it here, then click save as new, give it name, let's say test, and click save. And right here we have this preset. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!